Your under eyes just need a little bit of extra attention. Got a lot of blue, some purple, even some redness under your eyes. Try adding Frenchie or Mango as a color corrector. With your finger or a brush, just tap the color corrector directly on the areas that have the excess blue. Now I know that that can look crazy and you're like, what good is that gonna do me, Lord? Sometimes by just adding a little bit of that peach color, because you've got a lot of blue and purple, will make all the difference in the world. Next, you can go in with your brightening shade. I have 2 brightening shades, this one here and this one here. This is my main shade. If I was to go in and take this one too early, many times that will cause it to look like your wrinkles are looking worse. Go into your next shade and I want you to lightly, I'm talking the lightest amount of product. Anytime you're working with under eyes and you have aging and mature skin, if you use too much product under your eyes, I promise it's going to just create more texture. Look at the difference already, and that was with this one. So then you can go in with your brightest shade. I kind of call it this a pop shade, and take it on the inner corner and outer corner. Lifting it up like this. See how that gives me all the brightness that I need without actually taking that really bright color and bringing in a big triangle. Trust me on this, ladies. Get yourself a color corrector, Frenchie or Mango, a little bit darker shade than what you think, because you think brighter is going to be better, and it's not always that way. So let me know if you have any questions.